Hello student, today we will do question number 1 from exercise, miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. We can write this. If we take common 1, we'll take common x, then it will be 1 minus x squared. This will be 1 by x, 1 plus x into 1 minus x. So here we suppose let 1 by x into 1 plus x, 1 minus x is equal to a by x plus b by 1 plus x plus c by 1 minus x. If we take common LCM, then x, 1 plus x, 1 minus x. So here will be a 1 minus x squared plus xb 1 minus x plus xc 1 plus x. So this will be, if we multiply a minus ax squared plus bx minus b x squared plus xc plus c x squared divided by x 1 plus x 1 minus x. If we take common a, if we take common minus x squared, then it will be a plus b minus c. This is plus, if we take common x, then b plus c. This divided by x 1 plus x 1 minus x. This is, so now we will equate the coefficient. So a is constant here, so a is equal to 1, and a plus b, a plus b plus c minus c is equal to 0, and x coefficient is also 0. This we can suppose 1, and b plus c is equal to 0. because there is no x coefficient x here, so 0. This is equation 2. Now if we put value of a in 1, then this will be we'll put value of a in 1, then it will be b minus c equal to a will come this side, so this will be minus 1, and b plus c equal to 0. If we'll add this, so this will be cut, so 2b equal to minus 1 means b equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore c equal to, then if c equal to 1 by 2. So we have got the value a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 by 2, c equal to 1 by 2. Now we will put here integration. Therefore integration of 1 by x minus x cube dx equal to a by x, means a value is 1, so this will be 1 by x dx. Then it is b value is minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 will take out, then it will be 1 by b value is minus 1 by 2. B by 1 plus x plus x dx, and c is plus 1 by 2, so this is 1 by 1 minus x dx. Now we will integrate this. This will be log x, and this will be minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus x, this will be plus 1 by 2 log 1 minus x plus c, this is log of this. Here it is minus, here this is minus, so here will be also minus. If we log x minus 1 by 3 will take common, then this will be log 1 plus x plus log 1 minus x plus c equal to log x minus 1 by 2 this is plus, so log, this will multiply, then log m into n means log 1 plus x into 1 minus x equal to log x minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus x square plus c plus c. Now this is now if we take LCM, then this will be 2 log x minus log 1 minus x square by 2 plus c. This will be 1 by 2 log, we can write this 2 here, log x square minus log 1 minus x square plus c. This we can write 1 by 2, and this is on the formula log m by n. So this log x square divided by 1 minus x square, this will be in both plus c. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.